This is going to be a quick install guide for Jellyfin-RPC. Let's go ahead and open up the install and setup wikis. So once you're in the install wiki, go ahead and make sure you have Python and VC Redis installed. Then once we have that, we can right click and open cross-platform installer in a new tab. Press Ctrl S to save. Make that all files. Then installer.py. And save that. And once we have that saved, we can go and open up either Windows Terminal or PowerShell. Change directory to our downloads. Then we can run Python installer.py. So now we need to get the URL of our Jellyfin server. So mine is 127.1.80.96. And now we have to create an API key. Go ahead and go to our admin dashboard. Scroll down to API keys. Make a new one. That one, Jellyfin-RPC. And now we can copy it and paste it in. Now our username. Say no to that. No to that. And now we have to make our Discord application. So now we would go to the setup and scroll down a bit where we see Discord application ID. So let's click on that link. Make a new application. Call it Jellyfin-RPC. And from there, we just need our application ID. So let's go ahead and copy that, paste that in. And we don't need custom buttons. Enable images. Yes, we want from Imgur. So then now we would go to the application registration page for Imgur. Go ahead and make an account. And once we're there, we need a OAuth 2 authorization without a callback URL. And we have to give it an email. And a description, just say Jellyfin-RPC. Do the CAPTCHA. Give it a name. Then there we have our client ID. And copy that, paste that in. And let's start it at login. Okay, and then now we should just be able to go to Jellyfin, start playing some media. Then from there, go on Discord, and as we can see, our Imgur image is working. We have Jellyfin-RPC, our name, and that's pretty much it.